Hey, so hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Steel Bite Pro. If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. Steel Bite Pro is a cutting-edge dental supplement that promotes healthy teeth and gums. Not only does it safeguard against tooth loss and gum disease, but it also prevents unsightly discoloration. This powerful dental remedy is crafted from 100% natural ingredients, providing a safe and effective solution for rebuilding gums and teeth. With Steel Bite Pro, you can rest assured that your dental health is in good hands. Steel Bite Pro is a highly effective dental supplement that puts an end to bleeding and gum recession. It does this by eliminating harmful germs, known as termites, which hide deep behind the gums, beyond the reach of traditional oral hygiene methods like brushing, flossing, and mouthwash. By strengthening the saliva in your mouth, Steel Bite Pro ensures that these stubborn germs are no longer a problem. Developed by dental specialists, this supplement is designed to give you healthy teeth, fresh breath, and freedom from gum disease. With Steel Bite Pro, you can enjoy a confident smile and optimal oral health. What can one expect from Steel Bite Pro? Steel Bite Pro is an affordable supplement that can be combined with regular oral hygiene practices, like brushing and flossing, to prevent tooth problems. Instead of spending a fortune on costly dental procedures and enduring the pain and inconvenience that comes with them, using Steel Bite Pro can help alleviate issues such as tooth decay, caries, gum infections, and bleeding gums. By following these simple steps, people can significantly reduce their chances of developing gingivitis, periodontal disease, gum disease, and tooth infections. These ailments can cause gums to swell and recede, which can lead to loose teeth and even tooth loss. By preventing these problems from occurring in the first place, people can avoid costly and painful dental operations, saving both money and discomfort. In addition to preventing dental problems, Steel Bite Pro also helps to strengthen and whiten teeth. It works by eliminating bacteria that can cause decay and other dental issues, as well as improving the overall freshness of the mouth. This supplement also helps to prevent plaque buildup, which can further reduce the likelihood of developing dental problems. Ingredients. The Steel Bite Pro dental supplement boasts an impressive arsenal of over 29 natural components sourced from various corners of the globe. Each ingredient undergoes strict testing procedures to guarantee its effectiveness and purity. The culmination of this process involves blending these elements in precise ratios to produce the desired outcome. Berberine. This herb contains a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that has been proven to be effective in fighting harmful pathogens. Through more than 79 clinical studies, this compound has demonstrated its efficacy in warding off dangerous invaders. Turmeric. Turmeric, a renowned spice, famous for its ability to fight against microbes, is also known for removing plaque that is responsible for germ buildup and decreasing gum inflammation. Heavy metals are present in various settings and can cause liver damage over time. Milk thistle has proven to be effective in repairing this liver damage caused by these substances. Artichoke, chancropiedra, and red raspberry are not only tasty but also incredibly nutritious. They contain an array of vital vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B, phosphorus, and magnesium, which play a crucial role in boosting our immune system and fighting off oral infections. With these superfoods in your diet, you can keep your mouth healthy and happy. Yarrow. Yarrow is a natural wonder that can do wonders for your oral health. It has the remarkable ability to strengthen the gums by preventing the growth of harmful bacteria that can thrive in the tiny crevices between your teeth and gums. The secret to yarrow's power lies in its ability to enhance the number of fibroblasts that are responsible for regenerating connective tissue, which helps to reinforce the gums. Moreover, yarrow is known to support the body's natural healing process and can help you recover faster from injuries. Beetroot. Beetroot is a mighty helper in healing mouth sores, and it does much more. The process of converting beetroot into nitric oxide is a great way to prevent tooth decay. This fantastic process also boosts the germ-fighting power of saliva, making it more effective in reducing the growth of those pesky bacteria that are often found in plaque. Vitamin C. Jujube seeds are a rich source of vitamin C, a vital antioxidant that not only boosts the immune system but also promotes overall health. Zinc. Zinc, a vital mineral found naturally in saliva, plays a significant role in maintaining healthy teeth and gums. By ensuring the optimal function of your mouth, zinc assists in preserving your oral hygiene and enhancing your overall health. Extract of grape seeds. By consuming contaminated food, oral bacteria can easily spread and multiply in the mouth, leading to various dental problems. However, implementing proper oral hygiene practices can effectively prevent the proliferation of these harmful bacteria and help maintain a healthy mouth. Ginger. Did you know that ginger has a natural ability to fight against bacteria and fungi? This is because it contains an active ingredient called gingerol, which gives it powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. So, the next time you add ginger to your food or drink, you're not only giving it a delicious flavor but also giving your body an extra boost of natural protection. Working. Breaking down the entire process into 6 clear and concise steps. The first step involves loosening the gums to create hiding places for termite bacteria that can eventually destroy the tooth. The next step is to eliminate termite bacteria colonies that have taken up residence in the gum pockets using cleansing agents, which not only kill the organisms but also stop the bleeding and inflammation in the gums. Then, the loose gums are pulled closer together, wounds and tooth roots are cemented, and the crowns of the teeth are fortified with a mixture of vitamins and minerals, which provides nutritional support for the teeth and gums and eliminates termite bacteria from the oral cavity, improving oral infections and odor. After cleaning and detoxifying the gut to prepare for the next step, an impermeable shield is constructed over the teeth and gums in a complete oral rejuvenation, protecting them from future damage and making them immune to bacteria that can be spread by food trash. Finally, the teeth are polished, chips are fixed, and bad breath is eliminated, while Steel Bite Pro helps regenerate and strengthen saliva for a healthier overall mouth. Benefits. This treatment effectively stops bleeding gums and gum recession while improving the overall health of your gums. It not only relieves pain and infection in your teeth, but also reduces the need for costly and painful dental procedures like root canals, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. By preventing the formation of plaque, this treatment can help brighten yellowing teeth and pull your gums inward. It effectively cures gingivitis and other periodontal disorders while eliminating foul breath and whitening teeth free of cavities and tartar. Moreover, this treatment strengthens saliva to combat oral infections and gum disease, making it suitable for individuals of all ages and regardless of their current health status. Its use can leave your breath feeling cleaner and fresher, while removing cavities, caries, plaque, and tartar from your teeth. In addition, it purifies and detoxifies your liver, and its powerful antioxidants help cleanse your body. By enhancing the natural defense barrier of your gums and teeth, this treatment promotes better oral health, leaving you with a beautiful, healthy smile.